Hey guys, it's SHEIN unboxing time. So I just opened up this box. I randomly ordered a bunch of fall stuff, some summer stuff because I was gonna take it to the beach, but it didn't come on time. So now it's like fall stuff, kids stuff. It's like $300 worth of stuff. Some Hello Kitty for my kid. Look at all this. It's like $300. Yeah, so I randomly got cute stickers too for my daughter for the trip, but it didn't come on time, so we didn't get used to it. So it's still really cute though. Yes, SHEIN actually has stationery. Look how cute this is. It is so cute. Oh my god. I got this for my daughter because the school said they needed post-it notes this year, but they didn't come in time for school to start. And yes, I ordered random hair clips for curling my hair, even though I got really short hair now. I don't really need to curl it, but these are so expensive here for some reason. These are so cheap on SHEIN. I just had to buy it. And I got this kind too. I don't know. It's a bigger kind, I guess. I don't know if I ever have long hair again. I can use it. More stationery. Look at this. Oh, more stickers. I couldn't resist. Look how cute this is. More stickers. Oh, these are not stickers. These are tattoos. I wanted these for our beach trip to OBX, but they didn't come in time, of course. So now I think I'm gonna wear them to Miami. I got like so many kinds. Like, oh, the nails. Oh, nail stickers. I've been dying to try these, so I will tell you how these are. But again, for the OBX trip, didn't come on time. I'm gonna be wearing these to Miami. I also ordered a bunch of sweatshirts and casuals and joggers and stuff for the fall because, you know, I plan on living in sweats apparently this year, and that's all I'm gonna wear. I also ordered a bunch of sweatshirts and casuals and joggers and stuff for the fall because, you know, I plan on living in sweats apparently this year, and that's all I'm gonna wear. Some hair accessories for my daughter again. These are really cute, I think. I think these are the correct ones I ordered. It's been so long, I don't remember. And yes, I got this cute little beach hat for the beach, but again, didn't come in time. This was for my daughter. Alright guys, this is the SHEIN order. It's all taken out of the box. I haven't checked the clothing items, but the accessories are already missing one of these tattoos. They sent me the wrong one. So let's see a different one, and they already sent me the wrong one. So not surprising, but I think everything else is here. I haven't looked at it yet, but it's so much stuff. I need to go through these bags. So I really need to go through this whole box and check off everything I ordered with the actual order list from the app, because last time I didn't do that. Once I ordered a bunch of accessories, none of the accessories came. The order took so long to get here. I didn't realize that I didn't get a bunch of stuff, but they were only like $1 each, so I wasn't sure. It was maybe $5, but it's kind of crappy. So ooh, more SHEIN kids. I can't wait to have my daughter try these on. Yeah, so I got a bunch of t-shirts too. So I literally just took inventory on everything. All the clothes were there. I was only missing that one accessory, and it's late. That's why I'm not wearing any makeup. So that's not too bad. And just a kind of first impression, most of the stuff is pretty good. Not everything is fleece lined. Some of it is just cotton, which might be okay for fall. Like, I'm really loving these joggers. The lining is pretty thick. It looks really cute. I think this was only like $13 or $14. These are really good. I really like these. And then, of course, I had to buy a white pair. Then I got this weird pair of ribbed biker shorts, and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I hope they look better than they do laying here. So I got this sweatshirt that's fleece lined to go with these joggers to make a set. But I wanted the sweatshirt to be oversized, and I guess I should have sized up more. I got a small because it looks oversized on the model, but it's really not. I think I'm gonna have to return this one. So that is it for now for my SHEIN unboxing haul. To see me try this stuff on and review each item, please remember to like and subscribe down below. I'll be reviewing each thing I have here, and then probably all the accessories and kids stuff too. Not really seeing reviews of their kids clothes, so I have a few things for my daughter from their kids collection, so I'll be reviewing that as well. So yeah, like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram.